Last period we had seen ascertainment of profit and loss under single entry system. Then we are doing one problem so that we will complete. Okay, so here closing capital, closing liability side is more. Closing liability is more. So total 1,50,000. Liability side 1 lakh,
Yes, sir.
1,50,000, 1,50,000. So balancing figure you can write in the asset side. In the asset side. Asset side. Okay, what we have to write? Capital. That is called a deficit only. Deficiency. Excess of liabilities over assets, that is deficiency. Otherwise, you can write capital. That is minus being a negative balance only because loss. Because of loss only, capital, which one? Negative figure. Okay. Capital, balance figure. Okay. So difference amount 25,000. It is a deficit only. The word we can tell deficit, otherwise you can write capital. No problem. Deficit or capital. Deficit. Excess of liabilities over assets. That is deficit. Next we will do, okay, if liability side more, so asset side we have to write capital. Next one, statement statement of profit and loss, statement of profit or loss for the year ending 31st December 2013. Closing capital, that is a negative figure 25,000. Add drawings made during the year, so here he withdrew from the business rupees 1,500 per month up to July 31st. Up to July only, I thought June. So 7 months. January, February, March, April, May, June, July. 7 months. 1,500 into 7. Okay, how to calculate? 1,500 into 7. 1,500 into 7. So 10,500. Then remaining month 4,500 into remaining 5. 45,000 to 22,500. 22,500. 23. 33. So 33,000. Clear? So up to July 31st, he withdrew 1,500. So 1,500 into 7. 1,500 into 7. Then 4,500 into 5. 22,500. Then so we will get 8,000. 8,000 less additional capital introduced less additional
Sir,
tell
shouldn't we add it?
add minus 25,000 plus 33,000
Oh, okay, sir.
less additional capital introduced minus additional less additional capital introduced. So in this question he invested 50,000 less opening capital 18,900 18,900 18,900. So 8,000 minus 68,900. We will get loss before adjustments. Loss for the year. Loss before adjustments. We will get 60,900. 60,900. 60,900. Actual answer is wrong. Answer is 60,900. Loss before adjustments. Loss if you write and of bracket, otherwise bracket you can write. Loss before adjustments. Sharath, any doubt?
Oh, sir.
Okay. Now 13th one. So the questions will come relating to this pattern. Okay. So next, first statement of affairs. Krishna Kulkarni does not kept proper books of account. Prepare the statement of profit and loss. Prepare statement of profit and loss for the year ending 31st December 2013. Okay. So adjustment it is given with drawings, depreciation, outstanding rent, fresh capital. We know that. So first you have to prepare. So same pattern only question will come. Statement of affairs. Statement of affairs as on 1st January 2013 on the base of your question 31st December 2013. 1st January 2013, 31st December 2013. So first cash in hand, asset 10,000, 36,000. Next debtors 20,000, 80,000. Next creditors 10,000, 10,000, 46,000. Next, bills receivable. Bills receivable 20,000, 24,000. Next, bills payable liability. Bills payable first year 4,000. Bills payable 4,000. Then 42,000. 42,000. Next, car asset. First year nil, second year 80,000. Next, stock asset. Stock 40,000, 30,000. Next, furniture. Furniture 8,000, 48,000. 48,000. Next, investment. Investment 40,000, 50,000. Next, bank balance. Bank balance asset 1,90,000. Over. Assets set total 2,80,000. No. Total
2,38,000.
2,38,000. Yes. 2,38,000. 2,38,000. So 2,38,000 minus 14. 2,24. 2,24. 28, 38. Next, closing. Four lakh 38,000. Correct?
Yes, sir.
4,38,000. So difference Three. Difference?
3,50,000.
3,50,000. Okay. Now, statement of profit and loss. Statement of profit and loss for the year ending 31st December 2013. Statement of profit or loss. Statement of profit or loss for the year ending, for the year ending 31st December 2013. 31st December 2013. Closing capital. So here adjustment is there. Closing capital. First we will write profit before adjustments. Closing capital 3,50,000. Correct? 3,50,000, 2,24,000, 3,50,000. Add drawings made during the year. Made during the year. Add drawings made during the year. It is given in the first adjustment. Krishna withdrew rupees 5,000 per month. So 5,000 into 12. 5,000 into 12. So 60,000. Less additional capital introduced. Less additional capital introduced. Less additional capital introduced. Here it is given. Last adjustment 30,000. Sorry. Next, less opening capital. Less opening capital 2,24,000. 2,24,000. So, profit before adjustments. Before adjustments. So 3,80,000. So what amount? 1 lakh.
56,000.
Aparna, 1
So
lakh.
1,56,000.
Yes, 1,56,000. Now you have to look adjustments. Second and third adjustment is there. So you can do any method. First you can add item we will write, then we will write less item. That your wish. Okay. So here depreciation, car also given, furniture also given. Okay. Then outstanding rent, it is given. Outstanding rent also given. So both are Profit loss account, which side item? Debit or credit? Anyone?
Debit side item.
Debit side item. Yes. Depreciation on machinery, then outstanding rent. So we are writing in the debit side. We are writing in the debit side. So we have to minus. Both are minus. Is it correct? So we will write less. First adjustment, depreciation on car, less depreciation on car, like depreciation on car. So car, it is given car 80,000. No, closing car.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so depreciation is calculated on the basis of closing amount. Here, depreciation is calculated on the basis of closing. Where provision for doubtful debt also on the basis of closing. Only opening interest on capital. Interest on capital is calculated on the basis of opening capital, not closing capital. Is it correct? Understand? Closing, on the basis of closing amount only, we are finding the depreciation, provision for doubtful debt, that on the basis of closing. So here car 80,000 into 5%. 80,000 into 5%. So 4,000. Next, less depreciation on furniture. Depreciation on furniture. It is given 48,000. Closing 48,000 into 10%. 4,800. Okay. So it is calculated on the basis of closing amount. So depreciation on car 80,000 into 5%, on furniture. Then next one, outstanding rent. So outstanding rent, with rent you have to add profit and loss account debit side only. So less outstanding rent. So it is given directly 6,000. So 14,800. So this is the final answer, net profit for the year. Net profit for the year. Net profit transfer to capital. So we will prepare conversion method. So this profit we will add. We have to transfer to add with the capital. One lakh 41,200. 1,41,200. Clear? So here they specified in the answer statement of affairs with adjusted. Adjusted means again we will prepare closing statement of affairs with adjustments. With adjustments means so from closing amount you have to minus depreciation. Furniture you have to minus depreciation. Car you have to minus depreciation. Outstanding rent liability side. Then remaining same. Understand? So that no need. So closing again we will prepare. So closing only closing. Then from car you have to minus depreciation, furniture less depreciation, furniture less depreciation. Then here outstanding rent will come. Capital same only closing 3,50,000 only. So that is adjusted one only. Okay, outstanding rent. That you don't need. Okay, so question will come like this pattern only. Statement of profit and loss. Next, last question. Miss Sania Sports Equipment does not keep proper records. From the following information, find out profit or loss and also prepare balance sheet for the year ended. Balance sheet means, I said no, statement of affairs with the adjustments. That no need, you have to ascertain the profit and loss only. So, we will do last one, then we will start conversion method. Next period we will start conversion method. Statement of affairs, statement of affairs as on. So now we will do statement of affairs. Next we will do with the adjustment. Okay, statement of profit and loss account. It's only 5 minutes, 6 minutes. Statement of affairs as on December 31st, 2012 and December, sorry, 30th, 31st and 31st December 2030. Okay, so we will do statement of affairs, cash in hand, 6,000, 24,000, bank overdraft liability, bank overdraft 30,000 nil, stock 50,000, 80,000, sundry creditors liability, sundry creditors 26,000, $40,000, sundry debtors, 26, sundry debtors asset 60,000, 1,40,000, bills payable liability, bills payable 6,000, 12,000. Furniture, 40,000, 60,000, 40,000, 60,000. Bills receivable, asset, bills receivable, 8,000, 28,000. Machinery asset, machinery, 50,000, 1 lakh. Next, investment asset, investment asset, 30,000, 80,000. Two lakh 44,000. Minus 62, 1 lakh 82,000. Then five lakh 12,000. Four lakh 60,000. Okay. So next period we will do statement of profit and loss account. Then I will start last topic, conversion method. Then after that chapter will be over. So in that we will study debtors account, creditors account, bills receivable, bills payable. So if you know the format, then you can solve all the problem. Thank you.